Hello everyone. In the third part of the sets we cover the difference of sets, symmetric difference, complement of a sets, algebra of sets, De Morgan's law and some important points. So let's begin. Difference of sets. If A and B are two sets, then their difference A minus B is defined as A minus B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X is not belong to B. For example, if we use the universal set of the number 1 to 12 and if A is the set of the number 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, 11 and B is the set of the number 3, 4, 6, 7 and 11, then A minus B is equal to 1 to 9. So we subtract the common element from A. Here the green shaded area represents the A minus B. Symmetric difference. If A and B are two sets, then the set A minus B union B minus A is called symmetric difference. It is denoted by A delta B. Therefore, A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A is equal to X such that X is not in A intersection B, or it is also defined as A delta B is equal to X such that X belong to A and X not belong to B, or X belong to B and X not belong to A. Here the shaded region area represent the symmetric difference. For example, if A is the set of the number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B is the set of the number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, then A minus B is equal to 1, 9 and B minus A is equal to 2, 11. Therefore, A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A, which is equal to 1, 2, 9 and 11. Complement of a set. Let U be the universal set and the A is the given set such that A is the subset of U. Then the set of all those elements of U do not belong to the set A is called the complement of the set A. It is denoted by A dash or U minus A. Mathematically, it is written as A complement is equal to X such that X belongs to U and X is not belong to A. For example, if U is the set of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A is the set of the number 2, 5, then A complement is equal to 1, 3, 4. Algebra of sets. If A, B, C are the given sets and U is the universal set, then identity law is A union phi is equal to A and A intersection U is equal to A. Commutative law. A union B is equal to B union A and A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Therefore, the union and the intersection operation follow the commutative law. Associative law. Within bracket A union B union C is equal to A union within bracket B union C, and within bracket A intersection B intersection C is equal to intersection within bracket B intersection C. Therefore, union and the intersection also follow the associative laws. Distributive law. A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C, and A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C, means the union is distributive over intersection and also intersection is distributive over the union. De Morgan's law. The first law is A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, means the complement of the union of two sets is equal to the intersection of their complements. In the given figure, the left hand side, in the first figure the blue shaded area represent the A union B, in the second figure the blue shaded area represent the A union B complement. In the right hand side the first figure represent the A complement, and in the second figure the blue shaded area represent the B complement. In the third figure the blue shaded area represent the A complement intersection B complement. We can see in the both sides the shaded area are same, therefore the A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. De Morgan's second law. A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Means the complement of the intersection of two sets is equal to the union of their complements. In this given figure, the left hand side, the first diagram, the blue shaded region represent the A intersection B. In the second diagram, the blue shaded region represent the A intersection B complement. In the right hand side, the first diagram, blue shaded region represent the A complement. In the second diagram, blue shaded area represent the B complement. In the third diagram, the blue shaded area represent the A complement union B complement. So we can easily see that from the both side, in the both figure, the blue shaded area are the same. Therefore, the A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. There are some important points. The element of set may be listed in any order. The repetition of elements in a set is meaningless. Phi has no proper subset. Every set is a subset of itself. Empty set is a subset of every set. Equal sets are always equivalent, but equivalent sets may or may not be equal. Infinite sets are always equivalent. Two sets are equivalent if their cardinal number is the same. If A and B are finite sets, then number of element of A into B is equal to number of element of A into number of element of B. If either A or B is an infinite set, then A into B is an infinite set. Thank you.